What's going on over here?
Getting to work.
So what are we doing today?
Today's the big day that we've been waiting for. Today is giveaway. We're out here in beautiful Newport Beach, California. We're super excited to be giving away this free pair of LED headlights. You have all been so supportive. Your comments are amazing. You guys have been so positive, giving us all sorts of feedback, and we absolutely love it. We can't wait to continue the channel, and we can't wait to give away these headlights.
So walk me through what you're doing.
Alrighty guys, so we are going to be randomly selecting one of you guys through a program to be getting the free set of LED headlights.
So tell me how it works.
So using the website commentpicker.com, we're just going to insert our URL and it's going to randomly select one of our followers that left a comment on our video to get the free pair of LED headlights. Out of a total of 98 comments, our winner is Cobus Boats.
Congratulations, Cobus Boats. Go ahead and, or I don't know if I'm saying that right, but go ahead and send us a message on YouTube.
Go through the About Me. There will be an area that says send message, so it's private, so no one gets your information. It does say that you wanted the third option for LED headlights, so just make sure to confirm that that's the one that you want, and we'll send those over.
And just for reference, the comment was,
awesome guys, headlight option 3 will look great on my white 2008 JK Rubicon. Well done on the 500K.
well, thank you for that comment. Although it's not 500K, we'll take it. Maybe one day, that'd be great.
For those of you that are just tuning in, we will be continuing doing giveaways, so this is not the only chance you're going to get. So make sure to hit that subscribe button below and stay tuned for the next one.